Welcome back, guys. Let's look at a mathematics scheme of work for class 10, class 11 and 12, which is SS1, 2 and 3. So the first one we shall be looking at is class 10, which is SS1. Week 1, you shall be dealing with number and numeration. Then under this number and numeration, we shall be dealing with logarithms, laws and application. Now, students, what is the essence of this scheme of work? Is for you as a good student to read ahead of your teacher. Then when the teacher is around or is in the class, you shall be able to comprehend and bombard him or her with questions. Then week 2 under class 10 is algebra. The subtopics are that you shall be dealing with is simultaneous linear equations. 2, quadratic equation. You shall be factorizing using completing the square method and formula to solve quadratic equations. 3, word problems on quadratic equations. Then week 3 under class 10, which is SS1, we will have geometry. And what are you be dealing under this geometry? You shall be dealing with circle theorems and their proofs, coordinate geometry, midpoint, distance and gradient. Week 4, trigonometry. We shall be dealing with introduction to trigonometry ratios. Now let's move to class 2, which is SS2. We shall be dealing with algebra. Under this, we shall be dealing with matrices, introduction and basic operations. Under this algebra, at the same time, we shall be dealing with determinants of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices, systems of linear equations, matrix method. Week 2, we shall be dealing with calculus. The subtopics under this are introduction to differentiation, application of differentiation. We shall be dealing with tangents, normals and rates of change. Week 3, trigonometry. We shall be dealing with trigonometry identities and equations. Week 4, probability. We shall be dealing with independent and dependent events. Now let's move to class 12, which is SS3 for those of you in exam class. For those of you that want to write common entrance like WAEC, GC, NECO, NAPTEC, GMAT and so on and so forth, you shall be dealing with algebra as well. Under this, you shall be dealing with logarithmic and exponential functions, series and summation. Week 2 is calculus, definite calculus, application of definite integrals, areas and volumes. Week 3, trigonometry. We shall be dealing with advanced trigonometric equations and polar coordinates. Week 4, vectors.